Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, which is video number 2 on exponential function, which is the part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics P3 9709 is the code. So in this video again we will solve 2 past paper questions, and I will keep explaining in a manner so that you are able to apply your knowledge in the new situation and solve other questions on your own. Here are 3 QR codes on P3, S2 and M1 videos. You can scan it and watch more videos and increase your learning skills. So here are the laws of indices for your reference in case if you have forgotten or cannot recall. So you can have a recap here quickly. You can put the video on pause and go through it. It's a prerequisite knowledge. So I'm taking you straight to the question. So we have to solve this equation and give the answer in a particular form, which is ln a over ln b, and a and b are integers. So there are 2 ways to solve it. In the previous video I have already explained both the ways in detail, but right now I will solve it only by one method. So I am taking ln on both sides. You can take log also on both sides, your choice. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't take log because it is given ln a over ln b, so you have to write ln in this case because there is a restriction. So now I will apply power law. We know from the logarithm, if something is written like this, then x can come here and it can be written as x ln a, right? So similarly, I'm bringing this down here, and by the way, this is considered as one term. So now it will be 3x minus 1 ln 2. Here I will apply product rule because 2 terms are multiplying. So ln 5 plus ln 3 power minus x. Now ln 2 will multiply with both of them. So it will become 3x ln 2 minus ln 2. And this will come here as a multiplier using that law. So it will be minus x ln 3. Now the terms with x should be together. So I'm bringing this term to this side and ln 2 to this side. I hope you're understanding. I'm writing slowly each and every step here. So now I will take x common out because when question says solve the equation, it means you have to find the value of x. So I'm taking x common factor out. And here I will apply product rule. You can watch my YouTube videos on logarithmic function. I will try to give the link in the description below. So here I will apply power law. So 3 will go up here, right? So this is ln 10. Now here 2 power 3 is 8, and because it is plus sign, so these will multiply, right? So what did you get? You get here x is equals to ln 10 divided by ln 8 3s are 24. So your a is 10 and your b is 24. So I hope you understood this. If you have any query, you can write in the comment and I would love to explain it to you. Now let's see this question. This is from June 21, variant 3.1. And that question was from November 22, variant 3.1. Okay, again you have to give answer in 3 decimal places, and your working should show clearly that the equation has only one real root. So each and every step is very important. So let's start. So 2 e power x plus e power minus x. You know the cross multiplication, the logic. So that is what I'm going to do here. Then I will expand the bracket. 3 2s are 6 plus 3. Now I can see this term and this term is like term. So I'll take everything to the other side. So I'm taking this to this side and this also to that side, right? So it will become 3 e power x minus 2 times e power x minus e power minus x plus 6. After that, because these are like terms, 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is 1 ex, so we don't write 1 usually. And here I can write it in this form. So now I will take a substitution. So let me take t is equals to e power x. Okay. So it will become t minus 1 over t. By the way, you can keep e power x also and continue solving. But for most of the student, it is not very convenient. So that's why I take the substitution here. So now I will take LCM. It will become t square. You know, I will multiply this by t and this by t. Plus 6. So after that, t square, or we can take LCM here also at the same time. No need to write it in the next step. So it will become 60. Okay. Then this will go here and it will what? Disappear. 0 times anything is 0. So now it is t square plus 6t minus 1. So this is basically a quadratic equation which cannot be factorized. So now you need to take the calculator to get the value. So, okay. So I got here t is equals to root 10 minus 3. And I got minus root 10 minus 3. Now, which value we will take? If you are getting it, you will understand that this negative value we will not take, and with what is the reason? I explained you in the previous video and I'll explain you again here. So e power x and t is, I'm taking this value of t first, root 10 minus 3. So I have to find the value of x, so I will take ln on both sides so that I can apply power law and x can come down. Agreed? So it is root 10 minus 3. So now power law, x times ln e, and we know ln e is 1, right? So it is root 10 minus 3. So ln e is 1. So x is equals to ln root 10 minus 3, which is equivalent to 1.818. So this is my answer for that. And why did I say this is not applicable, this negative value? The reason is, when you will go for substitution and you will substitute it here, right? Now when you will take ln on both sides, then ln for negative value, because this is negative value, right? So this is not possible. It will give you error, right? Not possible. So that's why we write here in the beginning. If you cannot get it immediately, by the time you will reach to this step, you will understand automatically that it is not possible here. So that's why this is my only answer in this question. So I hope you understood it. Thank you very much for watching it. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.